Woodworking is not just a skill. It's a passion that allows individuals to explore their creativity. The process begins with selecting quality materials, which often plays a crucial role in the finished product. While the focus may not lie in specific wooden items, the journey from raw wood to finished craft requires patience, precision, and an understanding of different wood types. Each type of wood presents its own unique characteristics and can significantly influence the overall aesthetic of the crafts produced. Learning about the properties of various woods enables craftsmen to make informed decisions that enhance their creative possibilities. The transition from hobbyist to business owner can be seamless for those passionate about woodworking. Many start by creating pieces for friends or family, gaining valuable feedback while honing their skills. This initial phase often serves as a testing ground, where one can learn what resonates with customers. With each crafted piece, there's an opportunity to refine techniques, experiment with different designs, and understand market trends. As confidence builds, so does the desire to turn a passion into a paycheck. Building a strong brand identity is essential in the competitive world of crafts. Entrepreneurs should consider how they wish to be perceived in the market. This means crafting a compelling story that resonates with potential customers. The narrative of a small business rooted in passion can set it apart in a crowded marketplace. The story can highlight not just the artistry involved in woodworking, but also the environmental consciousness associated with using sustainable materials. Consumers today are increasingly drawn to brands that convey authenticity and social responsibility, making this a key component of business strategy. Creating an online presence is another crucial step for aspiring business owners. With numerous platforms available, social media has transformed the way crafts are marketed and sold. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook allow for visual storytelling, helping to connect with a broader audience. Posting photographs of finished products and sharing behind-the-scenes insights can engage potential customers, turning casual browsers into buyers. Establishing a distinct visual aesthetic can enhance the overall brand and make it instantly recognizable. Craft fairs and local markets present excellent opportunities for personal interaction with customers. Participating in these events not only allows entrepreneurs to showcase their crafts, but also provides valuable feedback directly from the audience. This face-to-face engagement can foster community, encouraging customer loyalty and driving repeat business. Moreover, having the chance to observe competitors and their offerings can yield insights for improvement or inspiration for new creations. As a home-based business, maintaining a well-organized workspace is vital. An efficient setup can enhance creativity and productivity, enabling the craftsman to focus on what truly matters, creating beautiful wooden pieces. Organization can involve everything from proper tool storage to a designated crafting area that minimizes distractions. Investing in quality tools and workspace organization ultimately enhances the crafting experience, allowing for greater precision and efficiency in the production process.